Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I have been MIA for so long and I apologize. I've been really sick and I've been super busy when I'm not being sick. So I have a haul video to do from BeautyLish, Sephora, Nordstrom's, a few different places. So if you guys are interested in seeing a bunch of new shit that I picked up, then just keep on watching. So to start off with, from Sephora, I picked up the new Huda Beauty Rosegold palette that is remastered. And I'm just gonna open this bitch up. Obviously, I'm sure you guys have seen a million videos on it. It looks like this, and it is a lot prettier than the last one. There is just a few different shades. I'll just really quickly do a comparison. So here is the difference in them. The only thing that I'm super disappointed in is the two shades that were my favorite from this palette was the Angelic and Shy, and they got rid of both of those. So for another $85, once again, I think it's a little bit of a ripoff. However, the formulation is better, and I will do a video on that. If you guys want to see specifically on that, just comment down below and let me know. The next thing that I got from BeautyLish was two new highlighters, and Becca highlighters are probably one of my favorites, if not my favorite highlight formulations. So I picked up the Shimmering Skin Protector in Parisian Lights, and it looks like this when you open it up, just like their other ones, except the other ones don't have the same color on the outer edge. And it looks like this inside. I don't know if you can see that. So it has like the Eiffel Tower, I believe. And then swatched, this is what it looks like. I need to do a video on all my Becca highlights because I think I have like every single one. Maybe I'm missing like two. But anyways, and then this is the other Shimmering Skin Perfector in Royal Glow, and it looks like this on the outside, and then inside it has the little crown. And so swatch next to that one. So that one's on the bottom. So the top one is more of a pinky tone and the bottom is more of like a champagne-y color. I'm just gonna grab my champagne pop and compare it. So if I compare the rose quartz one that looks like this to the new Parisian Lights. So this is Parisian Lights at the top here. So swatched, here is the difference. So this one is the rose quartz. And then champagne pop swatch next to the Royal Glow. This, so pretty similar but not the exact same. So anyways, if you guys want to see a dedicated video on all the different Becca highlights, then let me know in the comments down below. I also picked up the new beauty blender InstaClean. I have not tried it out. I definitely want to, but here is what it looks like. I've seen mixed reviews on it. It says that you spray it directly onto the beauty blender or brush and sweep tool or tissue to remove the color. So I'm going to be trying that out. I also picked up from Sisley. It is Jaclyn Hill's favorite primer. I don't even know how to say it. I don't know. It looks like this. So this is the one Jaclyn Hill talks about, and it's crazy expensive. And of course, I had to be just like Jaclyn Hill and pick up her favorite combination, and it's the Dior Forever foundation. She likes to pair the two. I prefer this with a little bit of the CC cream from It Cosmetics, and then I'll put a little bit of the Dior on top of it. Another thing I picked up that I absolutely love is by Tatcha, and it is the Pearl Underlight and Eye Treatment. So it says that it's an eye treatment that hydrates and reduces dark circles over time, plus it conceals. It does not, it's like the best concealer because it's treating the dark circles. It doesn't, I have it on today, it doesn't like I get lots of product stuck in my like little fine lines and stuff. It doesn't do that. And so the container looks like this. It's really cute. And if you open it up, I have mine in the, it's called Moonlight. I think it's the lightest shade. So it looks like that. It is very refreshing. It's nice and whipped. It's really thin. I absolutely love it. I picked up another butter bronzer. The only thing I don't like about the butter bronzer is I haven't found on, I have a few of them, but it doesn't say on here the shade tone. So this one is the Sunkissed one, which is supposed to be a dupe for the Marc Jacobs Coconut bronzer that I can't get my hands on. So I got that. Something I'm absolutely freaking dying over is the new Juvia's palette, the Warrior palette. It is freaking beautiful. I absolutely love this palette. I am going to do a dedicated video on just this. But two palettes that I've absolutely been loving lately is the Nudie Patootie palette from Laura Lee. And so I like to use these together. They're absolutely beautiful. But yeah, if I have all the Juvia's Place palettes, this is by far the best palette ever. I want to do a comparison video from this one compared to their original neutral toned one. What else do I got? I picked up a Sapphire Blue Beauty Blender because my birthstone is September, so that's Sapphire, and I absolutely think it's gorgeous. From Pat McGrath, I picked up her new Lust Gloss in Flesh Fantasy. It was really expensive, so I was like, kind of, you know. I freaking absolutely love it. So it looks like this. And I'm just going to put some on. It's not like super sticky, but it's like a little bit, which I really like. I don't know. It's like every single thing I like in a gloss. This is it. I freaking absolutely love it. I definitely want to get a few more shades. So I highly recommend this thing. From IGK, the Leave-In Blonde Toning Drops. So the IGK Leave-In Blonde Toning Drops, I haven't tried these yet, but I'm going to. Apparently, they're just really concentrated purple pigment drops. You mix in with your styling products and it instantly tones out the brassiness. And then from Huda Beauty, I picked up the Liquid Matte Minis in Au Natural. I'm not a huge matte fan, but I thought it has Girlfriend, Trendsetter, Sugar Mama, and Bikini Babe, so I'm going to give this a try. Oh, I picked up from the, I don't know how to say this, the Lily Lashes and Sephora collection. It's Mykonos. I don't know how to say it. These are like my new favorite go-to lashes. They're stunning. They look like that. And with my big eyes, they look pretty natural. I wish they were a little more dramatic, which is crazy. And then I also picked up some Huda Beauty Faux Mink lashes in Farrah number 12. These are so long. And then Jade number 13. And then I picked up the Scarlet's number 8. I don't think these are faux mink. I don't know. I'm not sure. They don't say foaming. So anyways, those are the new products that I picked up. Oh, what else do I got? Oh, sorry. I also picked up from Artist Couture, the Jackie Aina, right here, Le Peach. Oh my God, 10 years later. Jeez, it's hard to get open with my big fat fingers. So I'll just swatch this. I absolutely love the Artist Couture loose highlights. I have a whole video on them. So that looks like that. It's down at the bottom there. It's way more blinding in person, obviously. So yeah, other than my samples, that's pretty much what I picked up. Again, I apologize for being MIA. I'm starting to finally feel better. So hopefully I can kind of keep up, but here's the video for now, and I will see you guys in my next one. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and I will see you guys later.